So 5 signs that your knowledge is worth teaching others. Sign number 1, people already ask you for advice. It could be your friends, your family members, your colleagues. They come to you, hey, how should we do this? What do you think about this situation? What do you think about that? I face this problem. Tell me, how should I fix it, right? If you get these kind of questions from the people surrounding you, this is one of the signs that your knowledge is valuable and you should teach it to others. Let's go for sign number 2. You can solve problems others find complicated. What seems basic to you might be rocket science to someone else. If you have experienced this, you know something, right? It's easy for you. It's easy to understand for you. And you explain it to others, right? And they feel overwhelmed, right? It's complicated for them. They don't understand it. They need more information. They need someone to break it into parts and tell them and show them and teach them. If you face situations like this, congrats, this is sign number 2. And my favorite is sign number 5. So let's go for sign number 3. You have made costly mistakes others could avoid. So it happens for me a lot that I have, over the past 9 years, especially that I started to teach online, I have made hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of mistakes. I burnt money, I made mistakes, the time passed, I lost the opportunities because of those mistakes, right? But if I share this with others, they can avoid it, right? And people desperately look for different ways to avoid making mistakes, to get to their dreams and to their goals much faster without any obstacles, without any issues. So this is valuable. And you will feel this when you see people are willing to pay thousands of dollars just to make less mistakes. So if you are a person who have made a lot of mistakes, congrats. You can share those mistakes with others so others can avoid it. So let's go for sign number 4. You have real world results, even the small ones. This is really important. You don't need to be an expert to start teaching to others, right? You don't need to be an expert. Even if, for example, you have 10% knowledge about something, 20% knowledge about something, there are many people who has zero knowledge, 1% knowledge, 2% knowledge, and they're looking for you to teach them so they can jump onto 10%, 20%, 30%, right? So if somewhere at some time you did something successfully, you helped a client to get better results, you improved your own income, right? You signed an actual business problem. Here is your proof that your knowledge is valuable and you should share it with others. And here's my favorite, reason number 5. You see people struggling with what you know. In life, we face many different situations that we look at other people and we see them stuck in what they are doing, right? They have no idea what they should do next. They have no information. They have no clue that they should go this direction, that direction, or that direction, right? But you know, right? If you have faced these kind of situations, congrats, you have another reason to start teaching and sharing your knowledge with others. I want you to leave a comment and write down which one of these 5 signs you have faced the most. And one other thing I have for you, if you are really interested in this topic and you want to share your knowledge with others, I have made a quiz that, based on your skills, expertise, knowledge, experience, and many other things, it will calculate that which topic is best for you. And also it will consider the market, that if you teach this topic, for example, similar courses to your topic how much money they are making per month on a platform like Udemy, and then it will tell you what is your next step. And also there are a lot of other things there that it will show you. It's amazing. So if you are interested in teaching online and creating courses, making passive income, don't forget to check out the description. I will write the quiz link at first. Okay, so hope to see you soon.